Good evening, Vernon. My name is Tameron here from Tameron Hyundai in Hoover, Alabama. Thank you so much for showing interest in our beautiful 2020 Hyundai Tucson. Easily one of the more popular vehicles here on our lot. As you can see, we're in the showroom, and the one that I want to show you, the one that you inquired about, is just right here. So, it's here for a reason. I'm excited to show you. Let's start here in the front, Vernon. In the front, we got a beautiful honeycomb grille with the LED wraparound headlights, premium alloy wheels, nitrogen-filled tires, blind spot detection, keyless remote entry. On the interior, a beautiful premium cloth throughout the entire vehicle with a 7-inch touchscreen display that's equipped with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You got a ton of safety features such as lane keep assist, lane departure warning, drive mode select, cruise control, you name it. But the best part about our vehicles, Vernon, are the warranties. We have a 5-year, 60,000 mile new car warranty, plus a 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, which we double to 20 years, 200,000 miles. So no better warranty in the country than ours, Vernon. Again, my name is Tameron. I'll be the one working with you. Give me a call. We have some amazing incentives attached to the Tucsons, especially the one that you inquired about. My cell phone is 703-505-1598. Come on down, let me know what time works best for you to come on down for a test drive here at Tameron Hyundai, where you're going to love the way you're treated.